Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by and clicking this video today and spending some time with your girl Chris. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be going over a first impressions of what I got in the April BoxyCharm box. This box is inspired by Coachella. If you're new to my channel, I do have a giveaway that's going on right now. You can click the thumbnail that looks like this, or you can go ahead and click the link that's going to pop up right now and you can find out the details on that giveaway. I also have another giveaway coming up, you guys, because I'm very close to 2K followers, so keep an eye out for that. As always, smash that subscribe button if you love what you see, and if you want to get notifications for whenever I come up with another video, you can click the bell button that's right next to it. So the theme for this box is called Peace, Love, and Boxy. My entire box is valued at $126.99 or $127, which is amazing because I paid way less for this box. We have a pure festival palette which runs for $36. Looks like this on the inside and comes with a rather large mirror. Next we have some Lashaholic lashes, and these are called Instaglam false lashes. They run for $14.99. Next in the box is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder, which goes for $27. In my box I received the Appeal Cosmetics holographic lip gloss. This one values for $21. And last but not least, we have a Luxie The Summer Days 3-piece brush set, which retails for $28. So first we're going to start off with the Pure Festival palette. Here are some swatches that I took of the palette. The palette is absolutely gorgeous, and yes, it is on my eyes. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how the palette works, and then after the palette I'm going to go ahead and put on everything else that I got in the box. So I'm going to start off with Sunset, and I'm going to put it on the outside just like it is right here. Next I'm going to use Gypsy, and then we put it right next to Sunset. Next I'm going in with Wild Child and put it right in here. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease right under what I just did. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and take this pink and move it to the outer corner. The orange will go to the middle, purple into the inner corner. Alright, so now I'm just going to use this to cut out a liner. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take purple, put it on the outside, pink is going to go in the middle, and orange in the inner corner. Next, I'm going to take Psychedelic. I'm just going to pop it in the inner corner. And I'm going to take a little bit of 24K Magic, just like that, and put it right over Psychedelic. For the lash line, I'm just going to put purple and then orange and then pink. I'm going to go ahead and put some white in my waterline, a little bit of liner, not an actual wing, just right on my lash line. And then I'm going to put on my Lashaholic lashes, and I will be right back. There you go, all done. So I went ahead and I added some dots going all the way around of a 24K and fireworks, because I mean, this is a Coachella inspired box, inspired palette, so I wanted to just do something a little fun, a little different. So the palette is absolutely gorgeous. It is really pigmented, and this might possibly be my favorite Pure palette. The only downer that I kind of noticed about this palette is that the shelf life is really short. This has a 6-month shelf life. It is literally the shortest shelf life palette I own. It is cruelty free and gluten free, so that's great, but that shelf life was just really interesting. As for the lashes, they are really comfortable and I like them. They're really cute, kind of like more on the wispier side, but I do love lashes, so really happy that I got this in the box. I didn't use the primer that came with the palette because I really wanted to see how the palette would work without primer and just concealer, and I mean, obviously it did great. It looks beautiful, so I will try this out another day. So I didn't use the Luxie brushes, but I am going to use the big one to apply the Artist Couture highlighter. If you haven't tried Luxie brushes yet, I would highly suggest you do. They are really great brushes. These are the ones that came inside. We have a contour brush, a large, I think, fluff brush or shader brush, and then a small shader brush. The shade that I got is Purple Dream. It's cruelty-free and it has a 36-month shelf life. It comes with 4.5 grams worth of product. This is how she looks. Here is the back. This is the inside. It comes with adhesive that you just peel off so you can access the actual highlighter. So here it is. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this. Very, very, very little. I'm just gonna like layer her up. There she goes. Oh, nice. I like this highlighter. It's very buildable, so if you don't want like an insane glazed donut kind of look, you can build this up. I like this purple kind of highlighter. A little bit up here. What's funny is that it doesn't look purple here. It doesn't look purple at all. Even looks like it has pink in it, which kind of goes with my look, so I'm happy. I can even see little like gold reflexes in there. She's cute, she's cute. The last thing to try out is the Appeal Holographic Lip Gloss. I love lip gloss, so I was really happy that I got lip gloss. I am wearing just a regular lipstick on my lips, so I'm just going to put this right over. The lip gloss is very comfortable. It's a lip gloss, you guys. I mean, it's not tacky. It's nice and smooth. I don't really smell anything, which is great. It's a comfortable lip gloss, you guys. Nothing too crazy. It's just a nice lip gloss. Okay, well, my box is all empty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you are already a part of the BoxyCharm family, let me know what you got in the April month box. If you are not a part of the BoxyCharm family, let me know if you're interested in it, or maybe you're just like, whatever. Alright guys, well, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.